Right now I am going to be cleaning this area rug, and today I am using a portable spot carpet cleaner. So today I've got the Shark Stain Striker that I'm going to be using. One of the unique things about this cleaner is that it utilizes two cleaning solutions. So you've got your typical kind of standard carpet cleaning solution here, but then it also has an oxy or an oxygenated cleaner, and that goes in this tank. So you've got two tanks, two different cleaning detergents, and that's going to help us get a little bit deeper into the stain. So here we've got a little stain here that I see that, there I got a shadow here, but you see the stain there. And then I can't really tell the original color of this area rug. I did just pick it up, and I'm just going to try to clean it up and see how nicely it cleans up. Is it this color? Is it a little bit darker? I don't know. So let's go ahead and get started. Of course, today I do have my helpful kitty cat, Stormy. She always loves to help me with these projects. Now I'm just gonna be working on the carpet. I'm gonna start with some of the stains here. Now again, you're gonna spray it down. So you'll turn on the machine, you'll spray the cleaning solution onto the carpet area that you're cleaning. You'll scrub it with the head attachment, and then you'll extract the water and hopefully the stain along with it. So I'm starting with one stain here on the side. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move to working on the rest of the carpet here, or the rest of the area rug. Again, just spraying down cleaning solution onto the area. Then sometimes I just turn the vacuum off, and then I just use the bristles on the vacuum or the head of the attachment there, and then I just scrub it. So you want that detergent, that cleaning solution, to have a little bit of time to work on the stain. So you don't want to extract it immediately. So scrub it in there, give it a little bit of time, and then go back over and extract it. A couple minutes, maybe 1 to 2 minutes. It doesn't have to be a super long time. And it really kind of just depends on the stain. And while I was working, I did notice a little bit of a larger stain right there. I'm going to spray a little bit of extra cleaning solution on that. Let's scrub it and work it in. Now that seemed to have worked and actually picked up that spot, whatever that was. Now it's time to extract everything, the carpet cleaning solution around everything that I just cleaned. Now I'm just going to continue the process over the rest of the area rug here. Spray, scrub, extract, spray, scrub, extract. I'll continue as needed. If I see any stubborn stains or spots, I'll give it a little bit of extra attention. But it's a really simple repeat the steps process. There we go. We've got some nice clean marks there, vacuum marks. Everything looks nice and clean. I had some bigger spots here. There was one over here that cleaned up nicely. There was another one over here that it seemed to go away. So as far as I can tell, everything looks nice and clean now. It is going to be slightly damp to the touch. Of course, you don't want it sopping wet, but a little damp is okay. And then we'll just let this dry, and it looks like it did a really good job. And one of my favorite parts here is looking at the dirty water reservoir. So all of that dirt, dust, and debris we just got out of our carpet here, our area rug. So now it's going to be nice and clean. Now here again, let's talk about our cleaning solution here, right? So we've got the regular detergent here, which is just your typical detergent. Now you can just use the Shark Stain Striker with that, but you also have, of course, the Oxy multiplier. Now Oxy is a great cleaner, and let me tell you what it does. Oxy cleaners release oxygen when they are mixed with water, which breaks down tough stains like coffee, wine, and pet messes at an actual chemical level. This oxidation process lifts and removes stains more effectively than just your detergent alone. Now I do have a complete tutorial on how to use the Shark Stain Striker if you'd like to check that video out next. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.